Welcome back to Wheelcraft Reviews, your trusted destination for in-depth insights into the world of vehicles. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury vans for 2025. These vehicles are redefining comfort and versatility with a blend of premium features and cutting-edge technology. Designed for those who demand more from their travel experiences, luxury vans are the perfect choice for families, executives, or anyone seeking spacious and stylish transportation. The 2025 luxury van lineup offers stunning designs that prioritize both aesthetics and functionality. Sleek exteriors, chrome accents, and aerodynamic profiles set these vans apart. Step inside, and you're greeted with interiors that rival luxury sedans. High-quality leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating ensure maximum comfort. Advanced climate control systems and soundproofing create a serene environment, perfect for long journeys or business meetings on the go. Under the hood, these vans don't compromise on power or efficiency. Equipped with robust engines, hybrid options, or even fully electric powertrains, they deliver smooth performance while being environmentally conscious. Features like adaptive suspension systems and all-wheel drive enhance handling, ensuring a confident drive on various terrains. Technology is a standout in the 2025 luxury van category. Massive infotainment screens with intuitive interfaces provide seamless connectivity. Passengers can enjoy entertainment through high-definition displays, surround sound systems, and multiple charging ports for devices. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make driving easier and safer. Practicality meets luxury with features like modular seating arrangements, generous storage options, and power-operated sliding doors. Some models even include mini fridges, foldable work desks, and panoramic sunroofs, elevating the travel experience to new heights. Whether you're planning a road trip or using the van for daily commutes, these features ensure you're always traveling in style and convenience. As we explore the latest luxury vans, it's clear that these vehicles are more than just modes of transportation. They are statements of elegance and innovation. With unmatched versatility, advanced technology, and premium comfort, the 2025 luxury van range sets a new benchmark in the automotive world. If you're passionate about vehicles and enjoy exploring the latest in the automotive industry, make sure to subscribe to Wheelcraft Studio. We bring you comprehensive reviews, specs, and feature breakdowns to help you make informed decisions. Stay tuned for more content and let us know in the comments which luxury van has caught your eye this year.